Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're just going to do a quick video on the portability of the 16-inch Hubble optics Dob. It's one of those things that rarely gets talked about, but this is a full-fat f4.55 4.5 Hubble optics Dob, the ultralight variant, and we'll just put it in the back of a medium small hatchback, and just to show you how it fits. So just for the sake of speed, I mean, I would probably just lay these across the floor in there. They will fit across the side of the car, but we're just going to quickly do this just to show you and don't muck around. I will take some measurements of the size, and that'll give you an indication whether this scope could be right for you. So let's just quickly undo these. We'll fold it up to its tightest dimensions. These haven't been undone for probably 6 years. I would normally just stick it straight in there like that, but we want to show a compact size that anyone can deal with. So give this one. As you can see, it's overcast here, but it's been a beautiful morning. We've all been down the beach, down with the youngest kids, and we've had a half-hour, 40-minute swim and caught some waves, one of the beautiful Newcastle beaches. So it's been a good morning. Hard to get out and do any videos while you've got that on your doorstep. Okay, let's turn this a little bit. That'll do there. As I said, I could probably take the tail rad off. I could do lots of other things to make it smaller, but this is basically what we're going to do. So don't forget that. Hopefully you can see. This is the full scope and probably 30 kilos. Okay, as you can see, comfortably goes in there. Trusses are in there, plenty of room for other stuff to go in as well. And then you've got all your other seats that are free and ready to use. So that is, I don't know of many other 16-inch Dobsonians that will go in the back of a car, but this is the smallest car we have at the house, and it does it easy. So there you go, guys. I'll take a photo. I'll leave the dimensions up of fully compressed, fully folded up.
A few moments later.
Well, we can take that off there now. So that's exactly 300 millimeters or 12 inches tall. You could put that on there with a towel or something like that. And it's about 57 centimeters, which would be about 23, 22 inches tall. Full width, we'll measure without the tail rad, is 600 mil, 24 inches. And the same goes this way, is about 570, 560 centimeters, or 57 centimeters, or about 23, 22 inches again. So pretty compact design, trusses straight in the back, no problem. All right guys, bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.